Hello everyone, welcome back to another latest video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix there is a billing problem with previous purchases on your iPhone and iPad iOS 14 and 15 when you are updating or downloading or installing apps from the App Store. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, go back to your home screen, and actually there are two methods to solve this problem. So for the first method, you have to open settings app on your device and then tap on Apple ID profile here and scroll it down and sign out your Apple ID from here, and then after this turn off your device for at least 60 seconds and then turn it on again and sign in your Apple ID again and try to download or update the apps you want to install or update. And if the first method doesn't work for you, then go for the second methods. And for the second methods, again open settings app on your device and then tap on Apple ID profile here, and here is the payment and shipping. So type it and update the payment and shipping address here. After this, go back and then tap here on media and purchases, and now tap on view account, and from here tap on manage payments, and from here you have to update your payment method and then go back and scroll it down, and here is the purchase history. So tap it, and from here make sure that you haven't any unpaid subscription here. So after this, go back and tap here on country or region and tap on change country or region. From here select your country which belongs to your credit card. So I'm selecting here United States, and now tap on agree, again tap on agree, and here you have to give the information about your payment method and you have to select your payment method. So I'm selecting here add none. So after this, here you have to put the information. You can put fake one and tap on state. After this, select your state. I'm selecting here California, and here you have to give the zip code or postal code for your state or country. Each and every country has its own postal code or zip code. So if you don't know about the zip code of your country, you can search it on your Safari app or any browsing app, and then tap here your zip code. Zip code for the California is 90201, and then here put your phone number. You can put fake one and then tap on next, and now tap on done. And after that, try to update or download the app you want to download or install. So hopefully the video will be helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please do subscribe my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.